Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your device so the config can be applied cleanly. Open Settings and enable Install Unknown Apps for the BGMI installer. This lets custom configs write files. Next, grant storage and location permissions so the app can access game folders and download resources. Finally, disable battery optimizations for both BGMI and the installer so background file operations won't be killed. Once done, relaunch the installer app immediately and move to the config selection step. You now locate and pick the correct config tailored for Android 14 and your GPU. Picking the wrong profile causes crashes. Use the app's import function when available because it handles file permissions. Alternatively, copy files into Android/data/com. Pubg. Immobile/files, then set correct ownership if needed. Make sure to verify checksums or file sizes so corrupted downloads aren't applied. Once the files are in place, run the app's apply or patch action and wait for confirmation. You finish by clearing BGMI cache and force stopping the app to ensure new files load. This forces the game to rebuild resources with your config. Then open BGMI, set graphics to the patched profile, and validate in a training match to confirm stability and FPS. If the game crashes or assets misbehave, restore the backup you made earlier or reapply the config while collecting installer logs so you can pinpoint permission or file errors. Make sure to reboot the device if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.